In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your token usage in Claude AI. By the end, you will know exactly where to find your usage stats, how to read them, and a few tips to stay within your limits. First, open Claude AI in your browser. Once you are on the main screen, look to the bottom left corner and click your profile. This takes you to your account options where you can learn more about your plan and available tools. From there, select Learn More. On the Learn More page, you will see links to various resources. Go ahead and click API Console. If you are prompted to sign in, do that with your usual account credentials to continue. You are now in the Cloud Console. To reveal everything you need, expand the dashboard by clicking the small arrow. This opens up the key panels for analytics and account details. Under the Analytics section, click Usage. This is the central place to see a breakdown of your activity. You will find tokens in, tokens out, and overall token usage. Tokens in represent the input you send to the model, like your prompts and any attached content. Tokens out represent the model's replies. The overall number helps you understand your total consumption so you can manage your sessions effectively. Scroll down the usage page to see additional details. You will find your rate limits, which help you understand how frequently you can make requests without hitting throttles. And you can review available export options for usage data if you want to analyze trends or share reports. Exports can be handy for budgeting or for auditing how different projects are consuming tokens over time. If you are on a Pro plan, a helpful reference is that Pro users typically get around 44,000 tokens per degree Fahrenheit hour period. Keep in mind that this pool covers both tokens in and tokens out. So long prompts or long responses count toward that same limit. Watching the usage page while you work is a good way to avoid surprises. If you are using Cloud Code, you can also view usage specific to that environment. Click the Cloud Code, then open the Usage section to see Cloud Code-specific metrics alongside your broader account analytics. This makes it easier to separate project-based activity from general chat use. That's it. Thanks for watching.